The government is raising concerns on worrying trends in the infection of new patients with the coronavirus. The issue of social distancing and the violations that have led to new infections and the consequent difficulty in tracing of persons believed to have come into contact with COVID-19 patients in the country is high on the government's list of concerns. Health CS Mutahi Kagwe says despite the fact that no new cases were reported today, tests are still ongoing and Kenyans need to maintain the set regulations. Stephen Leto reports.
Other than the fact that of the 31 COVID-19 patients in Kenya, 19 are male and 12 are female, 2 patients have stood out. Kilifi Deputy Governor Gideon Saburi and the priest Richard Oduor, who travelled to Siaya County for a burial ceremony. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe has revealed that the padre in Siaya came into contact with 138 people that the health teams are tracing and monitoring. Kilifi Deputy Governor Gideon Saburi is said to have come into close contact with 122 people, including his governor Amason Kingi, who is in self-quarantine. The contacts also likely to have created their own web of contacts. The health CS stressing yet again the need for social distancing and following government directives.
The first one is 122, just one person. The second one is 138 people, just one person. And you are all aware of the Korean, I think is number 37, who has so far contacted nearly 5,000 persons have been infected as a result of that one person. So the minute you know that somebody close to you, somebody in your area, somebody in your estate has been confirmed as positive, you should protect yourself by keeping as much social distance as you can.
Of the 5 counties marked as hotspots, Nairobi leads in the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases with 21. Deputy Governor Gideon Saburi's county, Kilifi, is second with 6 cases. Mombasa is third with 2 cases, while Kajiado and Kwale each have 1. The country has begun recording cases of local COVID-19 transmission through contact with positive cases. More than 4 people have tested positive after coming into contact with positive patients, with government keeping a keen eye on the emerging hotspots.
To date, we have tested 752 persons for the coronavirus disease. And as I said earlier, do not mistake testing with surveillance.
1,067 contacts have been traced, with 136 discharged for testing negative, with government still monitoring 931 people. The government will also begin mass testing on Sunday.
This will be done alongside the WHO guidelines on testing for the virus and in accordance with one's arrival date. This exercise will also be extended to all close contacts of confirmed cases who have been monitored for at least 5 days by our contact follow-up teams.
The government further warning Kenyans against defying set standards that will help in containing the virus in the country. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.